Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to add radio station to your favorite list. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this home screen. This is the standard screen of the Porsche infotainment system. Now you need to choose media, and under media you've got here the radio. Right now I'm using, as you can see, FM, but I can change it to AM, but let me leave it for FM. As you can see, I can tap here favorites, so this is my favorite list. But if you would like to add some new favorite stations, all you need to do is tap here tune, select the station you would like to add. For example, in my case, it could be this station, right? And now if you would like to add this station to your favorites, all you need to do is use this menu and tap add station to favorites. So as you can see, you just added station to your favorites. Now let's tap favorites, and you should find this station right here. So this is Radio SK in my case. All right, as you can see also here you can tap hold to store. Do it again. Let's hold to store. And as you can see, if you are currently listening to some station, you can tap this hold to store, and you will also save it to your favorites list. So this is like the second way to add the station to your favorites. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.